Imagine making money so fast you keep checking if it's even legal. Today I'm walking you through 3 simple steps to quickly boost your income that are so effective you will wonder why everyone isn't doing it. The best part? These strategies work even if you're a total beginner with no tech skills or prior knowledge. I went from $20,000 in debt to $27 million in just 1 year. To start, you need to tap into a booming industry that's actually proven to work: high-ticket affiliate marketing. With high-ticket products, you're making $1,000, $2,000, or even $5,000 per sale. Suddenly, I didn't need 100 unique buyers every month. I only needed 2 to 10 to hit my goals. You don't even have to sell the product yourself. Instead, you just promote it. You send people to an expert sales team whose only job is to sell, and you get a fat commission every time they make a sale. Why waste your time trying to sell a low-ticket product with low commissions when you can literally drive traffic to high-ticket digital products with high commissions instead?